Okay, we're back. And we're going to look at how you can actually access individual files for this bare bones HTML and WordPress files, this theme that we're looking at. So let's go ahead and go back to our dashboard. So one way we can do it is go to Appearance and Theme Editor. And what this is, it's going to take us to our individual files. So you can see right here, this is a CSS. It's a style sheet. It's a CSS sheet. And on the right-hand side, under theme files, you'll find various other files that were part of the download, the zip drive, whenever from underscores. So you'll see that there's several PHP files, which is not going to be our focus. Our focus is going to be primarily on HTML and CSS files in WordPress. Probably more CSS than anything. But you can see that you can just click on whatever you're looking for, and it'll take you to where you need to go. So the navigation's pretty simplistic, nothing too difficult. So on the style sheet, we got our theme name, which was updated whenever we created our theme here in underscores. So the URI is underscores.me. I'm going to leave that alone because that is the theme URI. And the author, we already said was me. Hold on just a second, sorry. Okay, I'm back. So the author URI is what I have put in, pennypincher.com, and this is just something I'm making up. The description is a penny pincher practice purpose. The version is 1.0, so on and so forth. So there's also a table of contents, which can be nice because it kind of gives you some direction on where everything is in the CSS, and you can see what's there, like accessibility, which we all know is very important. It's becoming more of a requirement as opposed to best practices. It's becoming more of a need to have than you should have. Then there's widgets, and I don't think there's anything for plugins, but there's widgets, which is one of the tools that makes WordPress. There's a variety of different things you can see here. And what this other thing that this does is it also, using this default thing from underscores and all the styling, it also normalizes the HTML, or it normalizes it, the content, which means it's going to be better. It's going to be used better by more browsers, which, we all know browser compatibility is an issue sometimes, but this is going to normalize it so it's a better experience for more users across more browsers. Let's see. So the CSS isn't nothing new. You can customize it. Let's see. I'm trying to think of something that's already on here. So let's go to visit site. I know there's headings. Let's see what else there is. Okay, there's obviously a heading, so let's just go ahead and try to find that heading. I messed myself up, didn't I? Okay, back. Okay. So let's do Control F, H1. And take me to the heading, people. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. I want a different one though. Font size, that's kind of what I'm wanting. So instead of 2M, let's do something that you can really going to be able to tell the difference. I'm going to make that 5M. And update. It's been updated. So if I go in here, you can see that my heading has automatically been updated. So this isn't that much different than what we've done with, using actual file structures and in VS Code. It's pretty similar, just a different kind of user interface. In some ways, it's a little bit more user-friendly because, It's just like right there. Let's see. So that's pretty much underscores and how you can edit it. You'll need to play with it more. There's a lot of PHP files. We're not really going to get into PHP. But I do want to show you something because remember I was showing you on GitHub. I still have it open. I don't think so. But remember on GitHub, I was showing you where the functions PHP website or the web page on, where is it? I know I saw it somewhere. Oh, right there. Haha. Functions PHP. Shoot. Okay, I'm still there. Functions PHP. So where something had said underscore S, for underscores, and now it says penny pincher. So that's just, it's an easy way to create a bare bones theme for you to customize it and make it what you want to truly want for the designers that are out there. For the people who are not designers, such as me, we like having themes that are already prefabbed and that we just have to customize for what we want. So there's something for everybody, for us to play with. So that's underscores, and that's customizing underscores, the basic bare bones thing. And I need to update WordPress. I want to do that before I forget. But anyway, so that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.